There is a reason I'm putting these shells in the cup so that they won't splatter all over the bench and make it a big, huge mess. Hopefully there's no eggs or egg shells in the eggs. Hello everybody! Well, I've just gotten home from church, and last Sunday I decided to bake a cake for church. It was just a simple vanilla cake, but I thought I'd make a video showing you how I cook a little bit in the kitchen, what kind of technology I use, how did I read the packet cake mix, how did I weigh out my ingredients, all that kind of stuff. Some of you might be seasoned cooks and you might know all this information, but there might be some people out there that are new to cooking, or someone who has a vision impaired child or whatever, that you might find this information useful. So this is just what I use in the kitchen. There is so many more things that people can use, but this is just a little snippet of what I do and how I get around problems. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. So one of the problems when you're a blind cook is, how on earth do you read a packet of instructions? You could use Error or Be My Eyes, but for whatever reason I chose to do it the AI way. I did get assistance. I got a friend who had the same cake mix in their house to snap a picture of it and send it to me. And this is how I actually read it. So we're going to go and find the photo. Quick tip, I found that sorting my photos by date added lets me save a photo and it ends up at the bottom of the library, the last item on the screen. So I have been known to reshare or resave a photo, or share it to a descriptive app, because there are several, and then share it that way back to my photo album so I can find it, or video. So I've chosen to use Piggybot, so I'm going to give you a demo of how you can get the information you need if you want to cook a cake mix or a pudding mix or anything that's got instructions that you might struggle to read. It can be hit and miss if you're not very good at taking a picture of the item, but if you can get a good picture of the item, as you will see, it works quite well.
Apps, Piggybot, active.
So let's go to photos, or we can
swipe up with Piggybot, active.
Piggybot.
Swipe up with 3 fingers. The image shows the back of the yellow packet with end chat, Piggybot, heading, image. What is in this image?
So I've already shared it to Piggybot, so the image is here, so I won't do that again.
The image shows play button.
So what you do is you go to the photos and you find the image and you tap on share, and then you find Piggybot in your apps, or you can go to Piggybot and choose photos or videos, and you can share them that way as well. I actually find sharing a video through the actual app is a lot quicker. So let's see what it tells us now.
The image play button. Pause.
Alright, let me tell you all about this exciting butter cake packet. Oh, this is going to be good. I can just feel it. Okay, so we've got this bright yellow packet, right? And it's got all the deets on how to make this delicious butter cake. The instructions are super clear. It's got the preparation section, listing out the ingredients we need, like the cake mix, milk, 2 eggs, and some soft, unsalted butter. And then there's the
play.
Okay, so at least I know what we need, but how much of? And what are the actual preparation steps?
how to cook part, with step-by-step instructions on how to whip this baby up. Ooh, and get this. There's even a chef's tip for a quick icing recipe.
Play.
I won't play anymore because they don't tell you at the moment how to do that. So I'm going to go and ask Piggybot a question.
Send message. Button. Message input field. Type what you're looking for. Ellipsis. Text field. Double tap to edit. Message input field. Text field is editing. Type what you're looking for. Ellipsis.
I'm going to go to
Caret
browse
braille
screen
screen input.
because since I can't dictate, it's easier to type. What?
W-A-T space what? A-R-E space T-S space P-R-E P-A-R-A-T I-O-N space preparation S-T-E-P-S space steps A-N space and I-N-G-R-E-D-I-E-T-S space ingredients.
Yeah.
Ingredients. I-N-G-O dots 1 3 R-E-D-I-E-N-T-S space ingredients. W space with A-M dots 4 6 N-T-S question mark. Stopping browse screen input. Actions. Image shows the back of the yellow packet. Play button. Copy. Share. Attach image button. Messaging. Send message. But message input field. Text field is editing. What are the preparation steps and ingredients with actions? Character mode. Insertion point at end. Delete. S. Delete T. N. O. I. S. M.
How do
A.
you do that?
Delete space. With A. M. P. O. U. N. T. S.
Right, now let's see if it works.
The image show. Play. Copy. Share. Attach image. Message input. Send message. Button. Send message.
Ingredients. Cole's Simply Butter Cake Mix through a grab, 160 milliliters milk, 2 eggs, 60 grams, 3 tablespoons unsalted soft butter.
Okay, where's the steps?
The image shows the back of the yellow play
Like
button.
a lot
Copy
around
button.
me.
Share. What are the preparation steps and ingredients with star ingredients? Star Cole's Simply Butter Cake Mix 340 grams star 2/3 cup 160 milliliters milk star 2 eggs star 60 grams 3 tablespoons unsalted soft butter. Play button. Copy button. Share. Attachment. Message input. Send message button. Message input field. Type what you're looking for. Ellipsis. Insertion point at end. Braille screen input. H-O-W space how D space Y space U-M-A-K-E space X question mark space stopping browse screen input. Send message I. Send message end chat button.
Now that we've got the ingredients.
To make the cake, 1 preheat oven to 180 grease conventional, 160 grease as fan forced. Lightly grease and line a 20 cm by 7 cm deep round cake pan. Empty cake mix into a bowl. 3. Add milk, eggs and butter and beat with electric mixer on medium for 3 minutes until thoroughly combined. 4. Pour into pan and bake for 40 to 45 minutes, or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. 5. Stand for 5 minutes in the pan before inverting onto a rack to cool. Note, cooking temperatures and times may vary between ovens.
That was better. I did mine slightly differently because I found doing it the way they said the cake didn't quite rise well enough. So I actually whisked the eggs, butter and milk, and then I added the cake mix and mixed it. But apart from that, I followed the instructions pretty much to the letter. Hi, today I'm using my glasses as I really need to be hands-free, and I'm going to be moving around a bit in the kitchen. And I thought it might be easier to take a video with my glasses rather than positioning the phone and hoping that you can see me. So you won't see me during most of the cooking process, but you will see me in parts of the video as I explain things. and today we're baking a cake. If I knew you were coming, I'd have baked a cake and all that. Now I'm going to get down here to the oven and show you. This knob clicks, and I can also hear that it's on, and I've kind of learnt what the settings are. I wrote them down at first, and this knob has markings on it. Now in Australia it's usually an OT that will do it if you don't have anyone who can mark it, or a friend, obviously, if they're sighted, they could mark it for you. In America, I'm not sure who does that kind of thing, so but yeah, find your person that will mark it for you, and that's an easy hack on an oven. If it's got a line that you can feel on the knob, and stick some Velcro on it or bump dots, and that should be at 180. Now there are several different ones of these available. It'll be obvious what it does in a minute.
Power on. It is 1 gram.
No, it's not. And
It
this
is 1 gram.
I'll try 0. And this does milliliters, ounces, and grams.
Milliliter.
So I can put it on that, and it should be on 0. Sometimes I estimate, but I've had trouble with this cake mix rising, so I'm going to try and totally stick to the letter, except for a few more ingredients, but should start talking to me.
44 milliliters. It is 44 milliliters. It is 64 milliliters. It is 112 milliliters. It is 114 milliliters. It is 115 milliliters.
No, I think it's a bit more than that.
It is
Probably.
130 milliliters. It is 176 milliliters.
Ooh, too much milk.
It is 169 milliliters. It is 169 milliliters. It is 169 milliliters. It is 162 milliliters.
Oh man.
It is 163 milliliters.
I want 165.
It is 166 milliliters.
That'll do. That's close enough.
It is 166 milliliters. Power off.
That's close enough. Okay, I want to melt the butter, and not everyone has these, but these are available.
Door open. Door closed. Start. High power microwave. 30 seconds.
Don't be afraid to feel if you're trying to grease something or feel how much oil's in your pan if you're cooking or anything like that. Your hands are the thing that's going to let you know what's going on. Now, how do I go knowing my herbs and stuff? Well, the vanilla essence bottle is pretty uniquely shaped, but if I had more different ones, I would smell it just to check. And again, with the cinnamon, it's just a matter of smelling it and even tasting it if you like. And wash your hands frequently is another tip. As this is just very hands-on, you will be using your hands a lot more. And good oven mitts are a must if you're going to be using the oven. Hey Google, set timer for 45 minutes. Okay, so it smells really good. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's not overcooked or anything. Yeah, it does smell good though. Just while we're waiting for the timer, I hope this video has helped you. Stop. And I hope you found it useful. And if you have, like, share and subscribe. And I train people to use assistive technology and other blindness skills. So if you know a blind person that needs help, or if you yourself need help, then do let me know. Send me an email, reach out through the contact info. And even if you're a parent or a teacher and you found yourself teaching a vision impaired child and you need some ideas of what they can do and how they can do things, yeah, do reach out. So I have no idea how that looks, but hopefully it looks okay. I believe it's cool, so let's set the timer. Hey Google, set timer for 5 minutes.
Sure, 5 minutes, and we're starting now.
Well, I hope you enjoyed my cake baking journey, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe. And I can let you know that the cake was great. It tasted wonderful.